and welcome to the Albatross Daycare channel. Today we are going to do some skills development segment, and we have our trusty assistants here. Her name, what is your name?
Laura.
And what is your name?
Sophia.
And today we're going to practice throwing and catching. All you need to do to practice this activity in your home is to have a soft toy or a soft ball or something that won't cause any damage if it hits any of your glass furniture or things like that. And then you need some type of receptacle that can be used to toss the soft toy or ball into. It can be a rubbish bin, it can be, today we're using a saucepan here, a very large saucepan. But the idea is that the receptacle should be smaller, or should be bigger than your soft toy, so the child can throw it into the toy into the bin. Okay, so first, Sophia and Laura, we are going to first begin by practicing throwing to ourselves and what we do when we have only one child at home and mommies and daddies are busy and they can't help. So we're going to practice just throwing up in the air and catching it. Okay? You can have, what kind of animal is this?
Monkey.
A monkey. And then who do you get? That's Piglet. Mm-hmm. So would you two like to stand up and practice throwing it in the air and catching?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Let's count to 5 and let's practice throwing 5 times together. Ready? 1. That's the first time. Now 2. Laura, wait. 3. Whoops. 4. And 5. If you feel that throwing in the air to yourself and catching is very easy, the next thing we can try, Laura, can I see the cheeky monkey? The next thing we can try is throwing it in the air and clapping before we catch it. Why don't you guys give it a try? Very good. Very good. Okay. If we feel that clapping one time is too easy, can I borrow Piglet? We can try any number of claps. 2, 3, even 4 times. Why don't you guys try to see how many times you can clap and catch? Very good, Laura. Good job. Is this fun?
Mm-hmm.
Can you practice this at home, do you think? You can practice this at home as well? Good. Okay, can we hold our soft toys? The next thing we are going to try is throwing them into the different type of receptacle or basin or whatever it is you may have. I am going to put it on a chair. And first what I'm going to ask the children to do is to throw from different distances. Can I see this? So first we'll try from very close. Ooh, yes! Then we'll take a giant step back. And then we'll try from further away. Yes. And I'll get my Piglet. I will take another step back. And then we'll try again. Yes! So now if you guys, if Laura and Sophia, you can try. So our first marker is from this line. Okay? Sophia can be first. Okay? And now go to the end of the line. All right. Good job, Sophia. Go behind Laura. Oh, try again, Laura. Same spot, try it again. Oh! Good job, try it again. Good job. And now Sophia, good. You're in a good spot right there, Sophia. Try it again. Almost. Very good. Now, Laura. One more try? Very good, Sophia and Laura. And the idea is with this activity, the children can throw from as far as your own living room or kitchen space allows. Okay? We can also change the level of the receptacle bin, and we can use different heights of surfaces. Okay? The next thing we are going to practice is how we can practice throwing and catching with a friend. Sophia and Laura, are we going to use the monkey or are we going to use Piglet?
Monkey.
Oh, so we're going to use the monkey. Can I have the Piglet? Thank you. And I would like Sophia and Laura to come and stand close to each other. Sophia, come a little bit closer, sweetheart. Come a little bit closer and toss it back and forth. Now both of you take a big step back. And now try it again. Whoops.
That's a big thing.
This happens. Very good. Oh, almost, Sophia. One more try. Good job. Now everybody take a big step back.
No.
Oh, hop. Very good catch. What? One more throw. Very good. Now we can come back and have a seat. So these are different activities using different things from home, everyday items that we have, soft toys, balls, bowls, saucepans, garbage bins, that we can use to practice our throwing and catching skills. Sophia and Laura, do you think this is something you can do at home with your sisters and brothers?
Yes.
Do you like to practice catching and throwing?
Yes.
Do we throw our soft toys at lamps?
No.
No. But this is something we can do at home to help develop these skills. All right, can you guys say goodbye to everybody?
Bye. Bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.